Hey everybody, my name is Jace. I'm the creator of RFK Central. Also started the camp, the Royal Family Kids Camp here in Fargo in 2021. And reason why I created this app is just I was a little disappointed with the current software out there that was serving our specific type of camp. So created an app that our team uses and wanted to share that with everybody else to see if it's something that's helpful for you. So this video, I'm going to go over the planning module and kind of talk about what the vision is there, what it is today, and what it will be in the future. So when you first log in, you'll see your home screen. You can go to planning here, and you'll see the quick stack bar, upcoming meetings. I think that's actually, maybe that's wrong. Yeah, it's wrong in this demo. It'll be right by the time you see this. And then open tasks as well. So the two main things here with planning are like we have, my team has monthly meetings to plan, and we have somebody focused on activities, somebody focused on communication, somebody focused on finances, somebody focused on camper pairing and applications and social work connections and those kinds of things. So when we come to a meeting, we have different agendas usually to get through. And so to create a meeting, pretty straightforward. This location doesn't actually have to be like a address, but it will go in the Google Meeting. What do I want to say? Invite. So if I was gonna invite my team, I can search them too. And then when I create this meeting, I can choose to create a calendar with Google, like a calendar event with Google, or this would be like for iOS. I don't know if I can actually do it on, because this is a demo phone, so I don't have any of my accounts set up. So I can't actually do that. But the meeting is created on your own phone. You'd be taken to your calendar, and then it's just one click to create that event, and it would send the information to the users as long as the users are on that event. So once you have the meeting created, you see your current statistics up to this point at this meeting. So it looks like we have one committed volunteer, which this pulls directly from volunteer tracking in the People's tab. There's another video on People's tab, so you can just watch that video if needed. The campers would pull directly from the camper pipeline, so you'll see how many campers are coming to camp with, and then the breakdown of how many have accepted and how many are waitlisted, and then your fundraising goal. So how much do you want to raise versus how much you have raised so far. Currently, this is just demo data, and the financial model is coming later. Then you have the agenda items down here. So what I'll do, like I have my app on my phone, and throughout the month, I'll randomly think of things, and maybe I want to talk about like, oh, we need to bus, like we need to talk about the bus logistics of where they're going to park and those types of things, because like we do our pickup in downtown Fargo, so the parking is limited and stuff. So we need to talk about that. If you're highly organized and like to run your meetings on a tight schedule. You can put in like how many minutes you think it's going to take. Maybe it's something I've made the decision. I'm just informing my team on, and then who it's led by as well. So this way, my team can add things to the agenda if they want to talk about something, and then they can lead it as well. So then you have the items. I'll just add one more thing here. Say campers. Welcome. So oops. I guess there is a little bug there that I'll fix. Eventually, oh, okay. Okay, well, I'll fix that by the time you see this video. Excuse me. But eventually, I'd want a total time of meeting up here too, so that will come soon. You'll see how much all your agenda items cost in time, so you can prepare your meetings accordingly. When you have your agenda items, you can expand them, add notes. So like we decided, on the south side of the church bus parking. And then you'll see that there's a little note icon when there are notes there. From here, you can mark the item as complete. You can create a task. So maybe we decided, oh, well, okay, we decided on the south side of the street, so I need to call bus, go, and tell plan. And then that just attaches a task to this agenda item. So then when I can view that task, or like coming back, what typically happens in our meetings is we have this agenda item, we had the task, and then there was like, okay, well, whose tasks got done, whose didn't at the next meeting, and we didn't have a great way of like remembering or assigning tasks. So that's where this came in. Then you can view the tasks associated with this item or mark this one as complete. Marking it complete doesn't necessarily mean that the task is done. It just means that like we've talked about it. So if you had lots of agenda items, you didn't get to all of them, you'd see which ones you did and did not get to. And then I don't currently, but I will have a way to move. When you create a new meeting, you can just add agenda items from previous meetings into that one that didn't get done. And if we go to tasks, we can go there. There's also a task tab right here. When you first come to tasks, it's going to be filtered by assigned to me, but you can also view all tasks. It's also going to be filtered by pending or in progress, but if you want to see completed or canceled, you can see those there as well. So this is what it looks like for me. Say I got done with the bus, I can just go ahead and mark that one as completed. If I needed to update safety protocols, I can do that. Now our current task module has a little bit more than you saw when you were creating a task. So if I go and edit this task, I can set a due date, the status, priority, and then related contacts. So that way, if I'm viewing the task, I can pull up that contact easily and see their notes and stuff. So if I go here, view and see, oh, related contacts. I can pull up and see, admin users notes. I can see obviously my notes. And then, yeah, I can do whatever there. So that is tasks to see all tasks. You'll see, like, now I can see who's it assigned by, how long it's been overdue, etc. So, yeah, so that's it for planning. There'll likely be more stuff here as requested, but open to your comments, suggestions. Let me know what needs to be added, and what you guys use, what you like, what you don't like, and I'll try to make it something that is useful for everybody. So.